Hello everyone, today is January 14th and this is an analysis of CleanSpark. CleanSpark recently announced that they are obtaining 447 acres in Texas. That gives them an additional 300 megawatts of computing power for high performance compute / AI. That's expandable up to 600 megawatts. And overall, that will give them 890 megawatts in the Texas-Houston region. I wanted to show you what's happening here with the chart. You can see here that this is a descending wedge on the daily chart. You can see that we just recently broke out and just went above this $13 resistance area. This is at the 618 fib at 1357. You can see that that was previous support. And so what we need to do is we need to flip that resistance back to support to get to higher levels. But I did want to show you when we zoom out what's happening overall. So this is a multi-year breakout. You can see here that when we first broke out of this trend line, we went much higher up to this $22, $23 area, and then we came back down. And interesting enough, we tested this trend line, went up, tested it again, and now we have this other descending wedge. So we have the long-term descending wedge and we have the short-term descending wedge. Overall, if you were to look at the golden ratio on this daily chart, you would come up with a 2509 target, and that's very doable here. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart, zoom out a little bit, give us even more of a long-term perspective here. You can see here that the weekly chart showing somewhat the same thing, this large descending wedge in the multi-year breakout and the bounce off of the upper trend line. And you can see here the volume shelf support pushed this higher. Now you can see here a full retrace back to the highs here, and this is going to be from April 2024. That's going to get us up to 2139 to challenge that high. But overall, if you're looking at the golden ratio on the weekly chart, this is going to get us to 3062. So those are my targets, and that's the analysis. Hope that helps you out in your trading. Thanks.